Brand new YouTube channels are pulling 400,000 plus views on a single video right now. Channels with 0 subscribers, 0 history, posted by people who've never made a video in their life, and they're all doing the exact same thing, World Cup explainer videos. That's it. One simple format, riding the biggest wave on the internet right now. And before you click off thinking, I can't do this, you can. You don't need to be on camera. You don't need a single editing skill. You don't even need to know football. You make the entire video with AI, start to finish, in under an hour. Don't believe me? Look, this channel started 2 to 3 weeks ago. One single video, over 400,000 views. Here's another one, a week old, first upload, 38,000 views. These aren't big creators with audiences. These are dead cold new accounts. Why are they blowing up? Because YouTube and FIFA officially teamed up for the 2026 World Cup, and that just made football the single hottest search topic on the entire platform. The algorithm is hungry for this content, and almost nobody is feeding it yet. So in this video, I'm handing you the exact step-by-step, how to pick the topic that's already trending, how to write the script in minutes, and how to generate the whole thing with AI so you can publish your first World Cup explainer before you go to bed tonight. But here's the catch. This window closes July 19 when the tournament ends. Miss it and it's gone. So don't skip a single step. Let's get into it. Okay, step 1. To make a video like this, the first thing you need is the right prompts. And the good news, you don't have to write them yourself, because I've already done that part for you. Go to the website on your screen right now. Once you're there, click the Read More button. That'll open this exact post, the one you're looking at. Inside it, click the prompt link. The moment you click it, a Google Doc opens up with 4 to 5 ready-made prompts waiting for you. These are the exact prompts I use, and with just these, you can generate a complete video from start to finish. No writing, no guesswork. Copy, paste, done. Alright, now we generate the topic. Because the topic is everything, pick the wrong one and the video flops no matter how good it looks. So let's get this right. Copy prompt number 1. Then head over to Claude AI. This is hands down the best tool for this, because it doesn't just guess. Paste the prompt in, hit enter, and watch what it does. Claude actually goes out and searches the live web, looks at what's trending around the World Cup right now, and then hands you topic ideas with a real shot at going viral. Not random ideas, data-backed ones. And just like that, boom, 10 viral-ready topics, sitting right in front of you. Don't love one of them? Easy. Just ask Claude to rewrite it or give you fresh angles until something clicks. Once you've picked your winner, we move to the next step. Now for the part that usually takes people hours, writing the script. We're going to do it in about 20 seconds. Go back to that Google Doc I gave you and grab the second prompt, the script writing one. Copy the whole thing, then head back to Claude AI and paste it in. Now look closely. Inside this prompt, there's a section in brackets. That's where your topic goes. Remember those 10 topics Claude gave you earlier? Take the one you picked, copy it, and drop it right into those brackets, replacing the placeholder. Hit enter, and Claude gets to work. Give it 15 to 20 seconds, and that's it. Your full script is done. Hook included, start to finish. Read through it top to bottom. The hook's already built in, the structure's there, everything's ready to go. AI just wrote your entire video script for you, and now we're ready to bring it to life. Script's ready, now we turn it into visuals. But first, one quick move that saves you later. Copy your full script, open a blank Google Doc, and paste it there. Keep it safe, we'll need it again in a bit. Now, the images. Go back to the Google Doc with my prompts, and grab prompt number 3, the script to image one. Copy it completely. Head over to Claude AI and paste it in. Send it. Now, one of two things happens. If Claude asks for the first paragraph of your script, just paste your first paragraph in. If it doesn't ask, Claude automatically runs through every paragraph on its own. Either way, it starts converting your script, line by line, into ready-to-use image prompts. Give it a moment, and look at that. My full script just turned into 58 image prompts, one for every single scene. Every line of the video now has its own visual prompt, mapped out and ready. In the next step, we take these 58 prompts and feed them into a free AI image tool to actually generate the visuals. And this is where your video really starts to look real. Generate the images. Now we bring it to life. For this, we're using a free tool called FIFA AI, links in the description below. Click it, sign up, log in, and you'll get free credits right away. That's what we'll use to generate the images. Completely free, no card needed. Once you're inside FIFA, you'll see an interface like this. First, find the Choose Model box and click it. You'll get a whole list of AI models, GPT Image, Nano Banana Pro, and a bunch more. Any of these work, so pick your favorite. Then click Aspect Ratio and select 16:9. Now jump back to Claude AI, copy image prompt number 1. Come back to Pipit, paste it in, and hit the arrow button. Your first image starts generating right away. Give it a few seconds, and there it is. Our first image is ready, and check this out. That single prompt gave us 4 image options to choose from. All of them clean, all of them usable. Pick the best one and move on. First image done. Now you just rinse and repeat. Go back to Claude AI, copy image prompt number 2, paste it into FIFA AI, hit the arrow, and again you get 4 options to pick from. Don't like the result? Just regenerate until it's right. And yeah, that's the process. Prompt by prompt, all the way down your list. I'm not going to make you sit and watch me do all 58, so let me speed through these real quick and done. Every image generated. Now we just download them. Click the download button and make sure you grab them in PNG format with no watermark. That part matters. You don't want a logo stamped across your video. Download them one by one, in order, and there we go. All my images downloaded and ready. That's the heaviest lifting of the whole video. Done. From here, it's all assembly. Okay, this next step might be the most important one in the entire video, the thumbnail. You can have the best content in the world, but if the thumbnail's weak, nobody clicks. So let's nail it. Go back to that Google Doc and grab the last prompt, the thumbnail generation one. Copy it, head to Claude AI, and paste it in. Inside this prompt, there's a bracket. That's where your topic goes. And here's a pro move. Use the same Claude chat you've been working in, the one that already gave you your topic and title. That way Claude already knows exactly what your video's about, so the thumbnail actually matches. Drop your topic in the bracket, leave the rest as is, and send it. In seconds, Claude hands you 4 to 5 ready thumbnail prompts. Copy thumbnail prompt number 1, jump over to FIFA AI, paste it in, adjust the settings to your liking, and hit the arrow. And that's it. Your thumbnail is ready. Download it and you're done. Now we give the video a voice. Remember that script we saved in a separate Google Doc earlier? This is where it pays off. We're going to turn it into a clean AI voiceover, and you've got 2 free tools to do it. Option 1, 11 Labs. Head over, click the Voices button, and browse through. There are tons of natural-sounding voices here. Pick the one that fits your video, paste your script into the text box, and hit Generate. Done. Option 2, Fish Audio. Both links are in the description below. Open Fish Audio, click the Text-to-Speech button, and paste your script into the box. Then click Select Speaker, hit More to see the full list of voices, find one you like, and click Use. Now just hit Generate. Either way, in a few seconds your full voiceover is ready. Download it, and that's the last raw ingredient done. Script, images, thumbnail, voice. You've got everything. Now we bring it all together in the edit. This is where it all comes together. Open up CapCut, click Import, and bring in everything. All your images and your voiceover. Start with the voiceover, drop it onto the timeline first. This is your backbone. Run through it and cut out any empty gaps or dead air, step by step, so it flows clean. Now layer your images on top. Bring in your first image, then match each one to the part of the voiceover it belongs to. If an image runs too long, just trim it down so it lines up with what's being said. Keep going down the line, syncing image to voice. I'll speed through mine here and there. All my clips, adjusted and locked to the timeline. Now we make it feel alive. Click Transitions. You've got a whole library here, and you can drop any of them between clips with one click. Then jump to Effects and add a few of your own. This is the magic step. This is what turns a slideshow of static images into something that actually feels like a real video. Once it's looking good, hit Export, and CapCut renders your final video. Let's watch it back, and there it is, the finished result.
This World Cup has 104 games. You do not need to watch most of them. By the end of this, you'll know the 5 group games worth clearing your evening for, and exactly why each one matters. Game 1. France vs. Senegal. This is the group of death. That's the nickname fans give the one group where too many strong teams got drawn together. Think of it as 4 heavyweights crammed into a lift built for 2. France are among the favorites, the teams most likely to win the whole thing. Senegal are one of the strongest sides in Africa. Only 2 of these teams comfortably go through. So this is a final, played in week 1. Win, draw, or lose, it shapes everything that follows. Game 2. England vs. Croatia. These two have a habit of meeting when it hurts. Croatia have knocked England out of a World Cup before,